Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you're both safe and doing well. Fall is officially here, so in today's video, I share with you my first DIY of the season. Let's get started. This year, instead of a traditional wreath, I've decided to make a door swag. For my base, I'm using this cross-shaped wreath form that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And instead of using traditional chenille stems, I'm using Dollar Tree zip ties. Here, I'm gathering some of the decorative mesh and I'm attaching it to my wreath form using the zip tie. To avoid fraying, I wasn't going to cut the mesh, but I decided it was much easier to cut the mesh in smaller pieces instead. Here's what I had after using one roll. I used a total of 5 rolls for this DIY. I continued adding the mesh around the outside perimeter of my entire wreath form. Now that my mesh is in place, I'm moving on to my flowers. For this project, I used 6 bunches of Dollar Tree flowers, including hydrangeas, oak leaves, and maple leaves. To make my door swag a bit more rounded, I'm adding the remainder of my mesh right in the corners of my cross-shaped wreath. I've shared with you guys before that I'm not an expert at making handmade bows, but here's my attempt at making a bow for my swag using a roll of Dollar Tree Christmas ribbon. I ended up making 5 loops on each side, and then I used a zip tie to hold it all together. I found these LED wire lights in the Christmas section of Dollar Tree and thought they would be perfect for my swag. I want my swag to be really full, so I'm adding the rest of my Dollar Tree flowers and 2 glitter pumpkins also from Dollar Tree. And here's how my DIY door swag turned out. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe. Be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.